Innovation is your imagination becoming a reality. Innovation paves the way to success, enables change and creates opportunities. The time is now and the technology is ready for us. But are you ready for innovation? At AI Tech North, everyone is invited, from learners to leaders, to connect with AI champions, to drive new strategies, to disrupt the AI disruption. From smart cities, fintech to health tech, showing you the ethical ways and opening doors to endless possibilities. It's all happening at AI Tech North Summit 2020. Come and exchange ideas, get involved and witness the power of intelligence. Let's learn, inspire and together bring innovations of tomorrow today.
So technology is changing everything we do these days. It's touching every bit of our lives and disrupting so many industries and sectors. Data and AI is only going to accelerate what's already happening.
At Data Risk Solutions, we believe with the change to digital transformation, the use of machine learning and AI will make any business more operationally efficient and financially sustainable.
Increasingly, the role of IP in crystallising companies' intangible asset values is being realised.
Copyright protection alone is not sufficient to protect this valuable asset because it only protects the code itself and not the underlying idea. Patents plug this gap.